tips for the day of the NCLEX. I want you to get tons and tons of sleep the night before. The day of, no studying. Rest that intellectual memory recall part of your brain. I want you to eat a really good, healthy breakfast. Eggs, nuts, green leafy vegetables, salmon, something with omega-3s. Take vitamins if you normally take vitamins. Don't try anything brand new, especially medication-wise, vitamin-wise, on the day of the NCLEX. I want you to get there at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes before. I want you to avoid scrolling. That's going to cause brain fog. I want you to avoid anything processed food. Don't overdo it on energy drinks or caffeine. When you're in the exam, I want you to bring layers, dress in layers, bring food, bring water, do a breathing exercise every 5 questions, get up out of your seat every 40 to 50 questions. You want stamina. Don't try to get through it all. Always be eliminating wrong answers first. Do not freak out when you get to 86. Do not spiral. You're going to expect to get the full 150, okay? Just mentally prepare for that. You're going to be fine. I love you.